What is the name of the application that has been launched by the Indian Air Force for its aspirant? Answer: My IAF. India has provided around 3,000 vials of remdesivir to which country? Answer: Myanmar. Harley-Davidson has inked a distribution agreement with which two-wheeler company of India? Answer: Hero MotoCorp. What is the name of the vaccine candidate that is being developed by Bharat Biotech? Answer: Covaxin. Who has suspended the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University Yogesh Tyagi? Answer: President of India. India signed has agreement for cooperation in the field of hydrography with which country? Answer: Vietnam. Which company has won the bid to construct the India's Parliament building? Answer: Tata Projects. Which is the state birds of Uttar Pradesh that has been adopted as a new logo of Noida International Airport? Answer: Sarus Crane. The gender park which was seen in the news recently is autonomous body of which Indian state? Answer: Kerala. What is the name of the automobile fuel that has 20% ethanol and 80% gasoline? Answer: E20 fuel. Pradhan portal which was seen in the news recently is associated with which organization? Answer: ISRO. Which state has been declared a distributed area for 6 more months by the Home Ministry? Answer: Nagaland. India's launched the Year of Environment with which friendly country? Answer: France. Which Indian body warned against recording to its session using mobile phone? Answer: Rajya Sabha. Which state slash UT is to establish and modernize mini museum? Answer: Kerala. Where is the Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research IISR is located? Answer: Lucknow. What milestone has been reached by Indian vaccination drive as of March 15, 2021? Answer: 3 crore. Which institution is set to launch a handbook for online dispute resolution? ODR. Answer: Niti Aayog. As per the IMD, what is the expected long periods average LPA for of this year's southwest monsoon? Answer 98%. When was the GST system of taxation implemented in India? Answer July 1, 2017. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon.